all sound, very, very sound. So you can go to them about all and they'll help you out no matter what. Even like outside of college, like when you're on Teams, give them a quick message saying, oh, how do I go about this? How do I solve that? We'll message you. Got everything, everything you need they've got, and they've got their own little like stores which you go up to. The guys sound behind there, they'll just give you whatever materials you want, even if you don't know. There's a little sheet where it says what it is and what size you need, stuff like that. So even if you don't know what it is and you feel a bit scared about it, you can still go ask. Loads, communication, independence, I'd say, respect, like working on tools, like not, because they're not your tools, they're college's tools, so showing respect to that. Oh, amazing, everyone's friendly, everyone's sound, you can talk to anyone and be like, the sound's here, staff are sound, even dinner ladies are sound. All nice vibes around here. It's all good. Everyone just sound to each other. I like it. I don't mind it at all. Pursue in gas and heating, preferably with the council, with my employees, and see what's happening after that. See what's what. Load your oyster. Oh yeah, definitely. No matter what you're doing. It's very good courses down here. Everyone's sound here, they'll help you on no matter what. Just I'd recommend it to anyone, no matter like electrics, joinery, plumbing and heating, anything you want.